And Kenya is witnessing a significant rise in digital financial inclusion of women-led micro and small enterprises that are opening in open-air and cross-border markets. Speaking in Nairobi, Kim Kariuki, banking and financial services specialist at Microsafe Consultancy, says that approximately 1.17 million women-led MSMEs, with only about 50% of these being classified as formal enterprises.
The majority of them are in the open-air market trade because that's easier to get to. There's a smaller minority that's engaging in cross-border trade. And the focus for both of these women's segments is to try and drive sustainable livelihoods for themselves and their families.
There's a fear of, banks are big. We think they're so big and we are so small, so we think maybe they can't relate to our problems or solve our issues.
Are we creating an enabling environment? Are we creating proper infrastructure to de-risk women operating in informal markets? Is the cost of compliance too high? Will it encourage informalization as people try to avoid those fixed costs and reduce their risk when they're operating on very tiny margins?
And that's it for us here on KTN Prime Business. We'll see you again tomorrow.